In this video, we'll show you how to configure a day-of-the-week timeframe in the TeleCloud portal. First, from the portal home screen, click on the Timeframes tile. Then click the red Add Timeframe button on the upper right-hand side. In the pop-up window, start by naming your new timeframe. For this example, we'll use Training User. Then, select Days of the Week as your timeframe type. A new tab will appear, click into it. Here you can select the days you want this timeframe to apply to, such as Monday through Friday. Set your start and end times for each day, for example, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. If the schedule is the same for all selected days, click Copy to All to apply the same times across each day. To make manual adjustments, click into the time field for individual days. You can also add multiple time ranges for a single day by clicking the green plus icon. At the bottom, set whether this timeframe should recur weekly or customize the recurrence to your needs. When finished, click Save. Your new day of the week timeframe is now ready to use.